Hi, everyone. Welcome to Let's Organize That Google Drive. I figure if I make it sound like a game show, it'll maybe be fun. So today, and however long this takes you, because it is going to be a self-paced training, so you actually have up to 30 days to do it. And I say up to that because we're going to use Google Forms, and Google Forms will auto save your work for up to 30 days. So I'm going to put a time limit on it of 4 weeks. So 28 days, I think, should be plenty. But I do want you to make sure that you just X out when you're done working on it from time to time, so you don't have to complete the whole thing in one sitting. But make sure that you are taking the time to go through your Google Drive. I'm going to put little snippets of videos in the Google form that you're going to use that you're seeing right now. Make sure that you're viewing those videos. And then when you're done, make your edits to your own Google Drive. And then at the end, just submit it when you're done. You'll get compensated for it. Like I said, 1 hour of compensation, and I will submit that for you. And I think that's it. If you have questions, just let me know. You can email me at any time, and I'll be happy to help you. All right, good luck. Hopefully, you can get organized. Thank you.